Imagine if every Zoom meeting could become a live sales and engagement engine. Zoom lets people watch. Pxch lets people participate. Pxch transforms ordinary meetings, webinars, and presentations into fully interactive experiences, and your audience can interact with your presentation in real time. With a single click, viewers can fill out forms, book appointments, sign documents, complete purchases, and access websites while still staying inside the live experience. No more downloads, no more complicated integrations, just instant interaction. Share your screen, then with a click, make it interactive. Every participant can now click into what you're sharing. Whether it's a web page, a form, checkout, they can engage independently and privately. Their information remains secure and invisible to everyone else. Pxch supports up to 600 attendees, operates in more than 200 countries, and includes live translation in over 55 languages. Record meetings and make them interactive too. Automatically send recorded meetings to invited participants who were unable to attend the live event. Then add live links, shopping carts, forms, and calls to action directly into your recordings. Build smart invite links that track referrals, manage affiliate commissions, and sell products live during your presentations. With up to 100 gigabytes of cloud storage, webinar mode, screen sharing, recording, e-sign integration, and real-time engagement tools, Pxch is more than just a virtual meeting platform. It's an automated interactive sales system. So stop scrolling and start engaging. Welcome to Pxch.